Hello and welcome back to Humanizer, my free and open source 3D character creator for Godot 4.2. So I've made a couple bug fixes and I made a new release so this is 1.0.1 beta, and basically, so now you can change the texture back to none, and the same with the normals. You can change it back to none now. So I fixed that, and then another issue was when you, sorry, my phone is like right in front of my camera, or my computer. But, so now when you select a new hair color, or a new hair object, it has the correct color as well. Previously, you would have to change the hair color again to get it to reset, and that was an issue with the eyes and eyebrows. So now you can see that they are correctly equipped even when you change them. So anyway, just some quality of life fixes. And you can download the new zip file from the Nitrox Nova Humanizer. So you can see there's the beta 1.0.1 release, and you can just download the zip, and you'll need to rename it to Humanizer, and then you just drag and drop it into your project folder, add-ons folder. So in the Humanizer, you'll just extract the release from there. If you want the current version of the repository, you cannot download the zip file from here. It's not going to work. So you'll actually have to run the /clone command through the command line if you are wanting to work on the base project. And I've also updated the example menu, so it's working with the 1.0.1 beta version, and as you can see, I've also aggregated some of the shape keys, so now the opposites are together and there's like a double-sided slider, and I've already grouped the lefts and rights here as well. So you can see like the Nubian forehead up and down. So that's now all in the same slider, and you can see all of these are the same. So a lot of these are very subtle as well. Probably have to zoom in some more. But anyway, there you can see they're kind of changing. So y'all can take a look at this, and I've provided the source code. You can hit next and the character will run around in game, but I've already made a video on how to get this set up. So basically, you can just use this as reference for your own in-game menu. You can see there's still a lot of handling that needs to be done to make it usable in game. So you can download that from the Nitrox Nova Humanizer example, and you can actually just use the zip file here. That'll be fine. And like I said, I'll put the link, so here's the setup instructions, but I'll link that in this video as well. So, and I did want to mention real quick, once you have the menu, the example menu and Humanizer installed in the add-ons folder, you do need to go to the project settings auto load and double click on the Humanizer global, and then you'll click on the config node here and drag the Humanizer global config.resource into the global config. And so this just adds the additional path to the asset imports. So it'll be looking in the local assets folder for the clothing as well as in the add-ons folder. So you could just add that path to the config instead. But either way, make sure that you save it and then you can go ahead and run it and everything should be working fine. Please let me know if there's anything that doesn't work. I always appreciate feedback. And as you can see, it's working in game as well. So once you hit the next button, it does take a little while, but you can use it. So that's all for now. I did need to address the Umberlight Studios. So thank you again to Fernando, Bert, Gregory, Alexander, Artigus, and Terrence. I really appreciate your donations. I know there were some more people who signed up in the last couple weeks. Unfortunately, I don't have access to them, to your names, so I'm sorry. Maybe Matt will, say thank you. But yeah, he just wanted to have a bunch of other additional required plugins, and I was trying to keep this standalone, so that was the main disagreement, but I'm no longer affiliated with Umberlight Studios. So I'm really sorry if anyone is disappointed. I really appreciate your donations, and I'll probably keep working on this regardless. You're also free to keep donating to Umberlight and follow his branch of the project if you would like. But that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.